Sometimes you just need to eat an entire cucumber, so I'm finally making the viral cucumber salad. I've seen this on my food page about 4,000 times. I'm not even joking. So obviously I have to try. It's meant to be the best cucumber salad ever. This is literally an entire cucumber. It seems excessive, but we're trusting the process. Soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil. Apparently do not go crazy with this. Garlic, a spring onion, a little bit of sesame seeds, and I actually found this crispy chili oil from when I went to a food market with Sean, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to put a full teaspoon. I don't know how spicy this is now going to be. Apparently you also need to add MSG, but unfortunately I could not find it anywhere, so we're going to have to go without. Lid on, and I guess we just shake. Perfect. Wait, why does that actually look and smell so good? Why have I never eaten cucumber like this before? Wow. I get it. So good.